Good evening din po sa aking mga Gov, Melgo, si Vice Gov, si Congressman, at mga bukal po. Magandang gabi. As we close this business-to-business session of Parinina Marinduque Tourism Cultural Caravan, I want to celebrate what today stands for. It is connection, collaboration, and confidence in Marinduque's future. Parang nakakakita na nga ako ng future. To our seller, our homegrown tourism entrepreneurs, from all the 6 towns of our province, and to all our tourism officers, wala po sila dito, thank you for showcasing the best of our province. Authentic experience, creative products, and the warmth that makes visitors feel like family. To our buyers, tour operators and travel partners from different parts of the Philippines, media partners, influencers, and content creator, our Shorex handler, and guests from across the Philippines, brought together with the support of the Department of Tourism, Mimaropa, thank you for your trust, curiosity, and your commitment to bringing Marinduque into your itineraries. Promise, ha? I hope that with the past 3 days of your stay here in our province, experiencing our very own welcome presentation of Putong or Tubong, the warm heart of Marinduqueños, the sceneries, the food, considering that there are still a lot you don't see yet, like our island hopping, our caving adventure, mountaineering or hiking, our sea of clouds, our Visita Iglesia, and many more stories that yet is still untold. You will consider that Marinduque is a little province, yet we can curate many packages. Just tell us what you need, we have it. Tomorrow, you will stand at the very center of the Philippines, Luzon Datum of 1911. Sabi nila, bakit center of the Philippines or what we call heart of the Philippines ang Marinduque? There are 3 things. Number 1, geographically, ng sukatin ng Pilipinas, dito po ang sentro. Dito nagsimula lahat ng sukat ng buong Pilipinas. Second, if you take a look at the map of the Philippines, makikita niyo po yung Marinduque, may maliit na Marinduque sa gitna, shape of a heart po, of a human heart. Okay? And the third, siguro naman naramdaman niyo ang mainit naming pagmamahal sa inyo. So, yan po ang dahilan kung bakit kami ay sentro at puso ng Pilipinas. Today wasn't just about exchanging business cards. It's about matching unique Marinduque experiences with the right market. Building packages that are sustainable, community-led, and meaningful, and laying the ground for repeat year-round visitation, not just during peak season. I only have a few requests. 1, keep the conversation going. Follow up your leads within the next week and turn today's meeting into a bookable product. Co-create, combine our islands, culture and events with your audience insights to craft differentiated routes. Champion responsible tourism, protect our heritage and natural sites while growing arrivals. Marinduque is ready. Ready with quality products, trained hosts, and a shared commitment to service. With your partnership, we can turn today's momentum into immeasurable arrivals, longer stays, and wider benefits for our communities. On behalf of the organizers and partners, thank you to the Department of Tourism, Mimaropa, to the Provincial Government of Marinduque and its corresponding LGUs, to the participating enterprises, and every delegate here. Your presence is an investment in people, culture, and place. Let's carry the energy of Parinina beyond this room and into the itineraries, website, and stories we share. See you on the trail, on our shores, and in our towns. And see you at the next caravan. Maraming salamat, mabuhay, and welcome always to Marinduque, the heart of the Philippines. Maraming salamat po.